Increasing the value of a home is a goal for many homeowners, whether for resale purposes or personal enjoyment. Here are 7 proven strategies every homeowner should know to boost home value. 1. Curb appeal enhancement. Improve the exterior appearance of the home by enhancing landscaping, repainting the front door, and maintaining a tidy yard to make a positive first impression. 2. Kitchen renovation. Upgrade the kitchen with modern appliances, new countertops, and updated cabinetry to increase functionality and appeal to potential buyers. 3. Bathroom remodeling. Renovate bathrooms with new fixtures, tiles, and vanities to create a spa-like atmosphere and add value to the home. 4. Energy efficiency upgrades. Install energy-efficient windows, appliances, and insulation to reduce utility costs and attract eco-conscious buyers. 5. Home maintenance. Regularly maintain the home by addressing repairs, replacing outdated systems, and keeping the property in good condition to preserve its value over time. 6. Interior updates. Refresh interior spaces with new paint, flooring, and lighting fixtures to create a modern and inviting atmosphere. 7. Smart home technology integration. Incorporate smart home technology such as security systems, thermostats, and lighting controls to enhance convenience and appeal to tech-savvy buyers. Conclusion: by implementing these proven strategies, homeowners can effectively increase the value of their homes and potentially maximize returns on their investment. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.